Welcome to Think Global Education Services Maths class. We'll discuss arithmetic sequence in this video. So first thing is, what is arithmetic sequence? So if we look at a sequence, if we look at a pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. The difference between the consecutive terms is always 1. We can take another example. If I write 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Again, if we find out the difference between the consecutive terms, 10 minus 5, it is 5, 15 minus 10, it is 5, 20 minus 15, it is 5. So the difference between the consecutive terms is again constant. So in an arithmetic sequence, the difference of consecutive term is constant. This constant difference is actually called the common difference. Common difference for the sequence we denote it by letter D. Now we'll discuss about how do we identify whether the given sequence is arithmetic sequence or not. So I have taken a couple of examples. The first one is tell whether the sequence is arithmetic, and the terms are -4, 1, 6, 11, 16. So if we look at the difference between the two terms, if I write all these terms as A1, A2, A3, A4, and so on. So if we find out the difference between the two terms, A2, negative A1, so A2 negative A1 is 1, negative 4, that is 5. A3 negative A2, A3 negative A2 would be 6, negative 1, so 6, negative 1 is again 5. Another one, if we take A4 negative A3, so A4 negative A3 would be 11, negative 6, so 11, negative 6 is again 5. So we can see that the difference between the consecutive terms throughout the sequence is constant. So all the terms in the first sequence are arithmetic, are the terms of arithmetic sequence. Now we can check for the second sequence also. In the second sequence, we have the terms 3, 5, 9, 15, 23. So difference between 3 and 5 is 2. 5 and 9 is 4. 9 and 15 is 6. And 15 and 23, it's a 7. So we can see that the difference between the consecutive term is not constant. In fact, 15 negative 20, 23 negative 15 is 8. So difference between the consecutive term is not constant. So the terms in the second sequence, the terms 3, 5, 9, 15, 23, all these are not the terms of the arithmetic sequence. So a sequence is said to be arithmetic sequence if the difference in the consecutive terms is constant. Now I have taken some more examples. Another one is 1, negative 2, negative 5, negative 8, negative 11. So we can see the difference between the consecutive terms, difference in this one. Negative 2, negative 1, that is negative 3, and negative 5, negative of negative 2, again it is negative 3. So this one is arithmetic sequence. Now we can check other terms, other sequences also. 5, 14, 23, 32, and 41. So 14 negative 5, 14 negative 5 is 9, 23 negative 14 is 9, 32 negative 23 is 9, 41 negative 32 is 9. So this is arithmetic sequence because the difference in consecutive term is, difference between the consecutive terms is constant. So what is arithmetic sequence? Basically, arithmetic sequence is a sequence where the difference between the consecutive terms is constant, and this difference is actually called the common difference. And what is the arithmetic series? See, if we write all these terms, all the terms of the arithmetic sequence with a, if we add all the terms of the arithmetic sequence, then the sequence is said to be a series. If I say 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, the difference in all these terms is 1. So this is a series because I have added all the terms. So if all the terms of the sequence are added or subtracted, then the given sequence gets converted into series. So I hope this video has been useful for you. Thank you for watching.